Hello everybody, it is Katie Gebely and I am coming at you with a new video sharing my process for creating collage paper. And in this particular way I am using tracing paper. You can also use tissue paper, but basically any kind of thin paper that when you glue it down to your piece or to your journal, it will become transparent, so anything underneath will show through. So super basic today. As you can see, I have a number of different colored Sharpies, and then this is just a plain piece of cardstock that I'm laying down first, and then here is my tracing paper. As you can see, it's super thin, and I will add the link below if you're interested in purchasing some for yourself. But I lay the tracing paper on top of the cardstock just because the Sharpie will go through the tracing paper, and I just didn't want to have that happen. And what I've discovered, which if you wait till the end of the video, is I have a whole second set of collage papers just from this ink going through the tracing paper, which is pretty cool. So wait till the end and I'll show you how that turns out. But all I am doing, it can't get more simple than this, is just making simple marks on this tracing paper with my Sharpies. I will demonstrate a bunch of different types of marks that you could use that are super basic. So just follow along with me here and you'll get this down really quickly. And to demonstrate how I use this type of collage paper, I will pull up this video that I had just posted. Here's the link above. And this just shows how I incorporate this type of collage paper into my work. So as you can see, once you glue down the tracing paper, and I'm just using a matte medium here to adhere it, you can see that the colors from behind and the designs from behind come through, which is what I really love about this method. Is it's almost as if you're writing directly on your piece, but you don't have to commit to that as much. And what I mean by that is if you lay down a piece of this paper and you don't like how it looks, you can just peel it back up instead of making marks directly onto your artwork. All right, time to speed up the video and add some music for you guys. And just enjoy this process of making marks. I encourage you to try this on your own. Use any color Sharpies you have and just have fun with it. I'll meet you back at the end of the video. right, that was a lot of fun. This is a great exercise to do when you don't really want to work on your artwork, but you just want to create some movement and some fun pieces of material to use in your artwork. I just love this so much. I hope you did too. So as I wrap up, I'm going to do my final little design here. I just want to remind you guys to take a look in the notes below all of my videos where I include links to free resources, my website, ways to contact me. And of course, if you haven't already and you're enjoying these videos, please subscribe. And I always welcome comments and questions if you ever have any. All right, and not only did we make some beautiful collage on tracing paper, but I will pull these pieces of cardstock that I used, and you see there's some beautiful marks on these, so I will definitely be incorporating these as well. Thank you as always for being here, and I'll catch you on the next video. Cheers, everyone.